Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So guys, I saw this farm, right? Baby's telling me that it's sugarcane, so I wanna go and check it out for myself. They look so tiny though, I have to see them. Because we're on our way to the beach right now. Oh, they're actually cane for real. But they're so tiny, guys. They're so tiny. They're definitely sugarcane though, because it's a big sugarcane farm. All over, as you can see.
Remember, don't.
Old. It's tough though, it's not soft.
Hi guys, welcome back to the island.
You know the vibes.
You know where we are. We're at Sharks Bay Beach in I was gonna say Ballina, Evans Head. Evans Head.
Yeah, guys. So we did a vlog like the road trip coming along. So we just decided to vlog while we're here now. So
yeah,
guys, this is what's up. So far it looks beautiful. Heaps of people out. The place open up a bit. So I guess everybody is out and about and things. So yeah, I'm gonna see what it's all about and gonna grill some fish and chicken and things. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and enjoy the adventure, the vlog. Let's go now.
Let's go, guys.
So guys, we're at the beach now. Find our little spot and things. So yeah, it's really nice. The water is a bit chilly still, but I'm loving it just the same. And this is the view, guys. Yeah, people hanging out all along the edges. Come around. Yeah, so it's you can tell it's a very hot spot. Yeah, we have little Bobo here and wifey here. Yeah.
Look at him, he's eating sand, guys.
Little Bobo, excited to be at the beach.
Yeah,
huh? Hey.
So babe's just going to wash the chicken and season it up as he does. That's daddy for you. What you reckon, babe, so far?
Yeah,
ooh,
loving it. It's beautiful vibe, nice weather.
yeah, it's not too hot or anything.
Nah.
Yeah. Yachty style. Guys, so babe's packing the fire right now. I just had to settle Island Boy because he's being cheeky. What do you say, babe?
Yeah, they are what's the thing, They have the original coal. It's made from the wood. I don't know what these are made of, but yeah. It's very solid though. Pop it up like that.
Everyone talks about. Yeah. So nice.
Master Chef Africa.
I'm not just experimenting, Bobo.
Ready?
Hey, Bobo.
Put it down. Come on, kick it.
Bobo, you're not looking. I can't play ball. Oh.
Okay, cut.
ball.
Oh, the ball, the ball, the ball. Look, Papa, Daddy, bring the ball.
So guys, I'm gonna leave this camera right here because I realize every time I try to film these birds, they run, they fly. So I'm gonna leave the camera right here and see what happens. How should I put it this way? What's going on, guys? Welcome again. Alright, so I know y'all see the camera that's cut like that. So what basically happened that they are filming is the GoPro went psycho on us. Literally, like, it was taking forever to turn on, and then after filming the birds, like, the GoPro just shut off right there and wouldn't turn on for literally the whole day. So we missed out on so much footage, you know, so we apologize for that, but we're definitely gonna go back to that beach, you know, because there's so much to explore that we didn't even get to, you know, show you guys. So we're gonna go back there again and film, you see it. So stay tuned again, guys. Yeah, so we're just gonna go to another scene right now, so let's go. Good morning, my beautiful people. So just not too long wake up, babe's still in bed, and as I open the window, guys, literally I see the place look one way. I say, Jano, which part I burned down? But when I really look good, I say, yo, a fog. You see it? So right now the whole place foggy, guys. I hope you can see it. But yeah, literally the whole place. It's very cool. Yeah, but it's a beautiful morning still. Let's start this morning off, guys. Yeah. Just look who is awake now. Little Bobo. Good morning. Wanna tell the people good morning? Good morning. Yeah, guys, so Bobo just wake. Babe's still in bed. What's going on here?
What's going on?
You teach me about the vlog.
Yeah, eh?
Okay.
What is it?
Wagwan.
Oh, mister. Hello, smile. Smile. All right, see? Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, Dad was about to do something with me.
Guys, you're about to prank me.
No.
Yeah, it's
No, I want to take it home.
You guys, we're trying to launch the drone right now. Baby's here. Thing.
Is it still flashing?
Yeah, it's still flashing. Drone is in the air! The footage are beautiful.
The footage is amazing. Look at that.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.